Amazonian stingless bees, world's first insect, guaranteed legal rights. The Satipo municipality, Peru, has adopted the Declaration of Rights for Native Stingless Bees tribe Meliponini through a municipal ordinance guaranteeing legal rights to Amazonian stingless bees to preserve Peru's biocultural heritage. This establishes the first legal recognition of insect rights globally, strengthening biocultural conservation and nature rights governance model. They are native stingless pollinators of Amazon rainforest, traditionally protected and cultivated them for generations by indigenous communities such as Asanica Cucama, Cucamedia. They are native to tropical and subtropical regions found globally in warmer climates with the highest diversity in Amazon rainforest. They are among the oldest bee species on Earth, responsible for pollinating over 80% of Amazonian flora. They are not completely devoid of a stinger, rather they possess a vestigial stinger that is too small to be used for defense. Hence, they defend their hives by biting or secreting irritating resins. Support global food crops such as coffee, cocoa, avocados, blueberries. Traditional practice of breeding stingless bees for honey and medicinal use. Stingless bee honey, often called a miracle liquid, has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antiviral property, traditionally used to treat eye ailments such as cataracts. Distinct characteristic: higher moisture content, slightly acidity, sweet sour taste, non-gooey texture. Unlike commercial honey, they face growing threats from deforestation, illegal logging, agricultural expansion, cattle grazing, wildfires, and rising temperature leading to habitat loss and forced migration to higher elevations. Since stingless bees cannot speak in court, human guardians such as indigenous leaders or experts can represent them and sue polluters on their behalf. Rights recognized include right to exit and plus right to maintain healthy populations, right to pollution free habitat, right to ecologically stable climate conditions, right to regenerate natural cycle, right to legal